Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. This week in one of my classes we were talking about travel and how much people had travelled. And one of my students explained that she'd grown up in a very remote, a very isolated part of her country, and they were quite cut off from the rest of the country there. So whenever they wanted to go and visit friends or family, relatives in other parts of the country, they had to make these epic journeys to get there. And as a result, she said, she'd basically had her fill of travelling already. If you say that you've had your fill of something, you basically mean you've experienced so much of this thing that you don't want any more of it. So you might feel when someone tells you how you should be living your life, or asking you why you haven't had children or whatever, you might sort of finally lose it and see red and basically say, listen, I've had just about my fill of people offering unsolicited advice and telling me how to live my life. You might also use this to talk about people who annoy you or bore you. So you might come back from a party and say, God, that guy, he was so loud and arrogant and boring. I had my fill of him after about 10 minutes flat. You might also use it when you come back from holiday or from a city break. You might say, it was lovely to be there, but to be honest, I've had my fill of galleries and museums for a while. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of things you've had your fill of.